So here we have February 10th, 2010. This is our second snowstorm in 5 days. And it's really, really snowy out there. It's been snowing since, I think, about 8 o'clock last night on February 9th. You look right down there. There's my car, completely covered, and I cleaned this off. I completely cleaned this car off about 3 hours ago, and it's completely covered again. Like, it's amazing. This storm is crazy. I mean, I don't even think my camera's picking up half of this stuff. I think my camera's just picking up all white. I mean, I don't even want to venture out there anymore. I already cleaned that car off once. I don't think I'm going to clean that car off a second time. Though I might. But, just one hell of a crazy storm. Very, 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 very crazy. And snow has already covered the stairs. Okay. Mind you, this was all cleared off earlier today. Sidewalks, everything. And now it's right back to where it was this morning. In only just like 3 hours. It's pretty damn good. And here's my car. Big white thing.